Things are even prettier in person. I only saw an image of this on QVC.com when I was prepping yesterday, and I'm not surprised, right? It's Temp-tations. Their whole ethos, their mantra is all about entertaining, about gathering your friends and families and neighbors around a table and sharing a meal or sharing an iced tea or perhaps a sangria. This is why I love this set. So this is a classic 1.5 quart pitcher done in their famous stoneware ceramic. And glasses, real glass set that match back to the pitcher. Just reduced today. Like today is the first day you've ever seen it presented at this low price, and we are in our final quantities. No reorder here because it's a clearance price where you're saving 48%. Maybe you pick up more than one set. It's $24.50. That's for the pitcher and the 4 glasses. It's $8.17 on your Easy Pay. H264231 is your item number. Let me show you your colors. Starting here. This is going to be your blue, and again, you can see, if you're a collector, the mix of the old world and the floral lace that we love on their stoneware, but only 180 remain in the blue. Then we have it for you in yellow, which is so bright and sunny and vibrant. It just makes me want to drink iced tea. Then we have it for you in the confetti. Confetti, you get a fun range of colors. This is the one I believe Tara Tescher herself collects, but you get it all here. You get the blue, the green, the pink, the red, and the yellow, all on that really pretty white background. We have it in the green, but only 100 remain in the green. Here's your gray, but only 140. There's a look at that really pretty vibrant red. 150 remain there. And finally, we have it for you in a taupe, but fewer than 100. This instantly elevates your entertaining. The compliments will pour in. Pour in. Oh, Brian just said, hey, raise a glass to that one. And so I shall. Really nice capacity on these glasses, by the way. It doesn't say the actual size, but I'm going to give this like at least a 16 ouncer, like a pint in here, right? But done in that glass, all the beautiful hand painting that they always do that we know and love from Temp-tations. So the other night, I was with a friend and his buddy's mom needed some help with something. This is a guy and his mom that he had grown up with. He's like, do you mind if we stop by? I never met this woman. And I was like, sure, that's fine. We're already on our way somewhere. So we stopped on by, and she was so lovely. Her name was Georgette. And she invited me inside while my friend worked on whatever he needed to work on. And so she brought me inside and she offered me a glass of iced tea, which I, of course, happily accepted. And she pulled out her beautiful pitcher from her refrigerator and she filled up these lovely glasses. And we sat at the kitchen table for about an hour and just sort of learned her life story, which was fascinating, and I loved every minute of being there with her. But that's the whole idea of entertaining, is that you commune over a glass of iced tea, you commune over a really gorgeous glass of sangria, or just some spa water where you slice up some cucumbers and lemons, and you bring this out and it brings the whole table together. You don't have to think about it too hard because Tara Tescher, Lisa Lesort, the whole design team already created this piece for you, where everything just kind of remains in its own sense of harmony. You do get the 4 glasses. If 4 glasses isn't enough for you, pick up more than one set. Make it a set of 8 glasses. You can either hold on to that extra pitcher that you're going to get, because remember, you're saving nearly 50%, 48% to be exact. Or you can always gift this away, or you can use this as a beautiful vase because it is that tall, slender pitcher that's going to fit really nicely into your refrigerator. I don't know if it fit in the doors of your refrigerator. It depends on the fridge that you have. But if you like to make sun tea, iced tea, sangria, punches, whatever it may be, but then if you have a second one, because you're picking up 2 sets because you need 8 glasses, 4 isn't enough, put in some lovely sunflowers in here, a lovely bouquet of hydrangeas, and it just gives you that sort of farmhouse country look that we love so much. Let's see, the pitcher does stand at, well, it looks like it's more than 8.8 inches high. I'd have to measure that. I don't know if I trust this card. But it is that sort of vertical size pitcher instead of those big bulbous ones. So it really lets you use that vertical space if you store this in the fridge, because it is their stoneware, which means you can put it in the refrigerator. So let me take you through your colors again. I have it for you in the blue. Look how pretty that glass is. Isn't that lovely? So there's your blue. There's your yellow. I love that the handle and the rim around the top are done in that solid color. Then we have it in your confetti. We have a couple other colors. Here's green. Here's your gray. Red. And finally, we have it for you in the taupe. Just reduced today for the very first day at this clearance price of $24.50. $817 gets it home. You're saving 48%. There's no reorder. It's H264231. I tell you, the stories that woman regaled me with were so unbelievably fascinating.